Yeah, welcome back today again. Today is another day, and today I want to show you how to use Nasdaq or how to trade Nasdaq on MT4. Yeah, MetaTrader 4. I've been getting a lot of questions from different traders because they want to know how to trade Nasdaq on MT4. And the reason is that Nasdaq is a kind of pair on MT4 that is kind of confusing. And the reason why I'm saying this is that MT4 represents Nasdaq in different ways. For example, what you call Nasdaq on Apari is going to be different from what you call Nasdaq on FBS broker. So they are all different. For example, we have NAS 100, we have NAC 100, then we have Nasdaq 100, we have US 100, we have US Tech. All these words I'm calling, they are all called Nasdaq, but different brokers name them differently. So once you understand the symbol name and once you can understand all these words, it's going to be possible for you to really get to where you're going to. So while searching for them on your MetaTrader 4, you definitely know this is Nasdaq. So for example, this is my Vantage. This is my Vantage broker here. So let's try to look for it. So the first thing you're going to do is you come to this market watch area. Let me show you. You come to this market watch area. So when you get to this market watch area, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on right click, then you click show all, click on show all. So once you do that, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come to file, click on file, then you click on new charts, then you go to it can be on indices. So the first place you have to check it is indices. So that's the first place you have to go to while looking for Nasdaq. So you can see this is NAS 100. So this represents Nasdaq. This is NAS 100. So you can see it here. So this is Nasdaq. So anytime you are trying to trade this pair NAS 100, that is Nasdaq. So let's try to check again. Let's click on new charts, indices. Okay, because we can see another NAS here. You can see this NAS 100 FT. Let's click on it. So you can see it's like the same thing. You can see it's like the same thing. So, but I would go for this NAS 100. So let's try another broker. This is Apari. So when you get to Apari, let's use our first law. You right click on this market watch area, right click on show all, then go to file. When you get to file, click on new charts, then let's try to look for it. It's not going to be under forex. It's not going to be under forex. So let's check CFD cash. You can see this CFD cash. So it is under CFD cash. This is it. This is US 100 cash. Let's check CFD future. I don't think it should be here. Okay, you can see something here too. This is US 100 SEP 2. Let's click on this too. I just want to show you something. Now, if you look at this US 100 SEP 2, if you compare it to this Vantage, you can see it is representing the same Nasdaq. You can see from the shape. You can see they are the same. So let's go back to Apari. Let's click on file, new chart. Let's assume we are not selecting this US 100 SEP 2. Let's assume we want to choose, because okay, yes, let's assume we want to choose this. This is US 100 cash, because it's also one of the symbols we talked about the other time that represent Nasdaq. So let's assume we are choosing this. Let's see. So you can see it's still the same thing. You can see like it's the same. Look at it, represents the same chart pattern. So let's try another symbol. Let's try FP market. Let's see what represents it here. You right click here, you click on show all, you go to file, you click on new charts, then you go to indices. Let's check indices. Okay, is this one USDX? Let's try to confirm. I don't think, no, this is not Nasdaq. This is not Nasdaq. It should be indices 2. Okay, let's check indices 1. Okay, yes, it is. It's US 100. You can see this is US 100. If you compare it with this and this, you see that they are the same, and this, you see that they are the same. So that's US 100. Let's try forex time. Let's go to right click on the market watch, click on show all, click on file, go to new chart, then let's go to indices. Okay, you can see this one is NQ100. It's still the same thing as NAS 100. It's still the same thing as Nasdaq. So if you click on it, you can see it's still the same thing. Nasdaq. You can, if we compare the pairs, the chart pattern, you can see they are all the same. So this is NQ100. Let's try to check if you can see under. Okay, let's try to check. So you can see this is NQ100M. So well, I'll prefer going for this NQ100. They are still the same. You can see. But I'll go for NQ100. So let's check FBS broker. Right click here, you click on show all, you click on file, you click on new chart, then you see this this is already showing us US 100, but let's assume it's not here. Let's try to check CFD cash. Then you see this is US 100. So you can see this is also Nasdaq. So you don't need to start thinking like how do I trade Nasdaq on MT4? This is straightforward. Once you get your MT4 account, go to market chart, right click on it, click on show all. Once you do that, then you go to file, go to new chart, then you look for NAS 100, NAC 100. You just look for all those symbol pairs I've mentioned the other time, and boom, you can start trading your Nasdaq. So if you have any other questions or you want an EA, because I've already designed an EA that also works on Nasdaq. If you also need it, you can also contact me. But today, I'm just trying to show you how you can trade your Nasdaq on MT4. Very, very simple. It's possible. So till we meet next time again. Yeah, peace.